Welcome everyone! The holiday season is here, and if you're shopping for travelers, campers, RVers, outdoor enthusiasts, or just someone who loves smart, practical gear, you're in the right place. Today we're running through some of the best holiday gift ideas that are not just thoughtful, but incredibly functional. Items that make travel smoother, outdoor adventures more enjoyable, and everyday life a bit more comfortable. So let's jump right into this year's holiday gift guide and help you find the perfect present for the explorers, travelers, and outdoor lovers in your life. Now, if you're looking for a practical gift for someone who's always on the move and needs to charge multiple devices, this is it. This is the EcoFlow Rapid Pro Power Bank, the 27,000 milliamp hour version. This compact, travel-friendly power bank can fast charge up to 4 devices at once with a total output of up to 300 watts. It also has a built-in retractable USB-C cable, almost 2 feet, that supports up to 140 watts, so you don't always need to carry an extra cable. You also get 3 additional USB-C ports, giving you plenty of flexibility for multi-device charging. And despite all that power, it stays compact, weighing only 1.5 pounds. At 99.54 watt-hours, it meets TSA's 100 watt-hour limit, making it fully compliant for air travel. On the front, you get a screen with real-time info, battery level, input and output wattage, status indicators, and more. With the EcoFlow app, you can customize settings and optimize battery health. This is great for everyday use and perfect for anyone who's on the go, working remotely, or constantly traveling. A solid practical gift for just about anyone. This next gift idea solves a problem so many of us struggle with: discomfort from long hours of sitting or standing. This is the Cab Support M4 Spine Seat, a posture correction massage chair designed for comfort and alignment. For RVers, long travel days, compact living spaces, and constant motion can leave your back feeling tight and tired. Outdoor adventurers deal with the same thing, from hiking, climbing, paddling, or fishing. The Spine Seat M4 combines massage, heat, red light therapy, posture correction, and ergonomic support in one lightweight portable design. You get 3 levels of red light therapy to warm the lumbar area and support better circulation. A large area heat compress with 3 temperature settings, 45, 50, and 60 degrees Celsius, plus 3 massage modes, each made to help the body unwind. It supports proper alignment with a 26-degree lumbar curve following the natural shape of the spine. And you can use it plugged in via USB-C or on its built-in battery, which lasts about 60 minutes. This is a gift that brings real comfort to almost anyone at home, in the office, on long drives, or during outdoor adventures. This next gift idea makes life easier, more productive, and a lot more organized. This is the WaveNote AI voice recorder. Small, smart, and built for people on the move. It offers 64 gigabytes of storage and up to 42 hours of continuous recording per charge. Just press one button to record. It even includes a MagSafe case so you can attach it to your phone for call recording. You get crystal clear audio and 98% transcription accuracy in 112 languages. Everything syncs to the app, where AI automatically transcribes, summarizes, and organizes your recordings. It's like having your own personal assistant. For outdoor enthusiasts, it's perfect for capturing wildlife sounds, field notes, and trip journals without draining your phone battery. For RVers and campers, it's great for travel logs, campground notes, maintenance reminders, packing lists, and capturing ideas on the go. No matter what someone's lifestyle looks like, this recorder keeps them organized while they enjoy life on the move. This next item is for anyone who loves great food and the great outdoors. This is the Nomad cooking system from Stoke Voltics. It's compact, all-electric, and runs on 200 to 1,000 watts, perfect for portable power stations, RV outlets, or vehicle inverters. It heats up fast and gives you 5 precise power levels, making it ideal for power-conscious campers. It comes with the cooking reactor, the sizzle pan, the bubbling pot, a detachable handle, lid, and power cable. Everything stacks neatly to save space in an RV or campsite. The smart cookware recognition automatically adjusts cooking programs based on which pan or pot you're using. It even auto pauses when the cookware is lifted and shuts down to save power if it's not replaced. No flames, no fumes, no fuel, so you can cook indoors or outdoors safely. It's rugged, easy to clean, and perfect for solo travelers, couples, or small families. A fantastic gift for anyone who loves cooking on the go. Up next, a great gift for anyone spending time outdoors after dark. These are the VisioGear Night Thunder X3 binoculars. They allow clear visibility in low light or complete darkness. You can take high-resolution photos, 4K videos with sound, and save everything to the included 32GB card. You also get a 5x optical zoom, 8x digital zoom, and a 3-level infrared light with visibility up to 1,384 feet. AI Color Boost technology improves contrast and sharpness for clearer, low-light visuals. There's a built-in flashlight and a stealth glow mode for silent, discreet use at night. These make nighttime exploring, wildlife watching, and campsite safety much easier and more enjoyable. This next gift idea will come in handy for many outdoor enthusiasts. This is the Vivor 5-in-1 Wi-Fi weather station, a compact system that gives you real-time, hyper-local weather data. It monitors temperature, humidity, wind speed, wind direction, and rainfall. The data appears on a bright indoor display and can sync to your phone or online weather services via Wi-Fi. For RVers and campers, this is incredibly useful, especially for monitoring conditions around your campsite while you're away. High wind alerts, weather shifts in remote areas, local microclimates, all of that becomes easier to track. It's solar and battery powered and provides valuable insights for anyone who spends serious time outdoors. This next gift is perfect for cold weather adventures. This is the Vivor heated camping chair. It features dual heating zones, the back and the seat, with 3 adjustable heat levels. It runs off of any USB power bank and heats up within seconds. The strong iron frame supports up to 260 pounds. You get 3 reclining angles, movable armrests, and a high back design for maximum comfort. It folds up easily, comes with a carry bag, and includes pockets and a cup holder. Warmth, comfort, and convenience, all in one great gift. This next gift is for the adventurer who wants to be prepared for anything. This is the Vivor Survival Kit, a compact case packed with a shovel, axe, knife, compass, whistle, flashlight, fire starter, scissors, and more. The tools are made from high-strength stainless steel, and the modular handle design lets you extend or shorten tools as needed. It all collapses into one small case. You can keep it in your car, RV, backpack, or as an emergency kit. If you're looking for the ultimate gift for campers, off-roaders, or anyone headed off-grid, this might be the most impressive thing you wrap this year. This next gift will literally light up the season. The Turbo Pluto R19 Smokeless Outdoor Fire Pit. It's a stainless steel fire pit designed for cleaner flames and far less smoke. Its double wall airflow system creates more efficient combustion, so you get warmth and ambiance without that strong campfire smell. It's durable, weather resistant, and perfect for backyards, RV pads, beaches, or campsites. It burns hotter and longer using less wood and breaks down easily thanks to its nested modular design and foldable legs. It's one of those gifts that brings people together. Warmth, comfort, and atmosphere without the mess. This next gift idea will bring any outdoor enthusiast closer to nature. These are telescopes by Geisker. Starting with the Geisker 7400, this lightweight portable telescope is perfect for beginners and casual stargazers. At under 6 pounds, it's easy to bring on any adventure. It features a 70mm refractor lens, 400mm focal length, coated optics, multiple eyepieces, a 3x Barlow lens, and a smartphone adapter for capturing the night sky. Great for moon, planets, and bright celestial objects, and even daytime nature viewing. For more advanced setup, the Geisker 130 EQ reflector offers more light gathering power with a 130 millimeter aperture and a short 650 millimeter focal length. It includes multiple eyepieces, a 3x Barlow lens, an equatorial mount with slow motion controls, and coated optics for clearer, brighter views. Portable enough for travel, but powerful enough for serious skywatching. And that wraps up our holiday gift guide. Whether you're shopping for an RVer, a camper, hiker, traveler, or just someone who loves practical gadgets that make life easier, any one of these gifts is sure to be a hit. You really can't go wrong with gear that keeps people comfortable, prepared, and inspired on every adventure. These are gifts that bring value long after the holidays are over. So if anything caught your eye, be sure to check the links below for more details. Thanks for joining me, and from my family to yours, happy gifting, happy adventures, and happy holidays!